how to add multiple city or clock on your iPhone 16. Lock your skin and press and hold, then you can see the customization. Press on customization, select your lock skin. Now for example, I don't have this lock skin, then you can see the add widget. Press on add widget, then here you need to find the clock option. Now go to the city or digital, press on city and press on again, and once you press on both city, then it will be update. Press on done, then it will be update automatically. And if you want to change the city, then again go to your customization, lock skin. Now press on this area. Now you are able to change your city clock as well. Once done, press on done, then it will be changed like that. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.